everybody, it's Amber, and I am finally back with another video. This is going to be a Christmas project that I did, so I hope you don't mind that it's after Christmas and I'm just getting this video edited. I did it before Christmas, obviously, and this was as a gift for one of my pen pals I did a swap with. And so what I did is I got one of these collection packs that you can get at Hobby Lobby. They have these all the time. They come with paper, like 12 by 12 paper, die cut stickers, and chipboard stickers. So I decided that I wanted to go ahead and try to challenge myself to use up this entire collection pack. So you can do this with any of the collection packs that you can, that you get, whether it's the ones from Hobby Lobby or any of the ones that you get like on scrapbook.com or anything, and just kind of challenge yourself to do a full project using the entire collection pack. It would be a great pen pal idea, a great handmade gift. So just try to challenge yourself to get out all the goodies out of the collection pack and make something with it. So I'm not going to really do like a full-blown tutorial here. This is kind of just a process video of me showing you how I made this kind of little advent idea with goodies. I made an advent, 12 days of Christmas advent for my pen pal, and what we did is we decided to do a swap with 5 goodies and then a handmade thing. So this was one of my handmade things. I did include a couple of other handmade items in her package, but this is one of my main Christmas handmade goodies that I made for her. And so I'm just getting out my envelope punch board, and I'm going to go ahead and make a bunch of envelopes and just kind of play with this and make a little advent. So I have all these strips left. I cut all my paper down to make some envelopes, and I hope that you will enjoy this process video, kind of get some inspiration from it to get out one of these collection packs, make it your own, try to kind of kill the whole pack and see what you can do for some like pen pal gifts and swap things, or just if you want to send a crafty friend something. This is a great idea. And so I'm just going to go ahead and let some music run, and I'll pop back in here and there to kind of tell you some more about this cute little project. But this is my 12 Days of Christmas Advent goodie project, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here's all my 12 Days of Christmas little goodie envelopes. And I don't do it here on video, but I filled these up with stickers and bling and stamps and embossing folders and just different things for my pen pal. I think I put some buttons in one of them. And it's just really fun to fill up with crafty items, even little treats you can put in there. And so here's my 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's like the 12 Days of Christmas song, as you can see. I'm sure you already can tell from the video that the chipboards are the 12 Days of Christmas. And then here's 6, 7, and 8 of the little medium-sized envelopes. And I just think that this paper is so farmhouse and cute. And it's exactly the style of my pen pal. She loves farmhouse style just like me. So here's 6, 7, and 8. And then the big envelopes are 9 through 12. So here they are. And I think I changed one of them. Yeah, I added the little deer to that one. But here's 9, 10, 11, and the 12th day of Christmas is the last one. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. These collection packs are probably my favorite scrapbooking item to purchase, and whether they're the ones from Hobby Lobby that you can get at 50% off when the Paper Studio goes on sale, or if you go to scrapbook.com and get, you know, the newest collections that they have coming out that come with stickers. Some of them come with die cuts. So I just love doing this, and I think I'm going to go ahead and carry this idea over to the new year with all different kinds of paper collections and all kinds of different stuff, and then package them in a big clear sleeve that had adhesive on it and just presented it really nice that way. I'm going to have more pictures of this on my Instagram page, so I'll link that all below for you. But I just want to thank you so much for watching and hanging in there with me. I took a couple of few days off for the holidays, and I hope that you're excited for 2019. I know that I am. I'm so excited for what I have planned for my channel, and I hope that you stick around. And thank you so much to all of my loyal subbies and all of you who have watched my videos and supported them. I just want to thank you so much. I could not have continued my content without you. So thank you so much, and I hope you all have a wonderful, healthy, and happy new year. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye!